Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the zoom in video transition on Canva. I'm just going to right click and I'm going to hit duplicate page and I'm going to zoom in on a face. First, let's say this one. And I'm going to add in like an element here. I'm going to add in this focus element. Like this one here. I'm just going to zoom out a little bit and like place it here. Also going to change the color, and you can just duplicate the page again and then move it to like a different like person here. If I can just do that. Freeform that. Oops. And just place it here. And then I'm just going to do both of them. And you're going to go to here, add in transition, and you're going to add match and move to all of the video transitions here. And that is it. Super simple. You can adjust the duration. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you haven't done that already, if you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.